Alright, so welcome back to another Python coding challenge. So this time we are doing human readable time. Read a function. Okay, basically return them. Alright. Okay, so up to 2-digit, hour 029. Alright. So let's go and get some sense first. So if it's 5, then it's 5 seconds. If it's 60, then 60 seconds. So first thing is I want to divide by 60. Right? And then if I got any remainder, then I would say minutes. So sec equals to seconds percent 60. So this will give us the seconds parameter. And then we will say hour minutes equal to this. And then we will say now is sec equal to seconds percent. Now we will say is min percent hour equals min percent minutes. Wait, yeah, percent 60, and then hour equals minutes divided by 60. Let's go ahead and print out sec mean hour 0 to 0 500 59 0. Okay, so it has some bug when we're doing this, so it's like 59 0. But in reality, it's supposed to be this. So 0 divided by, so first what we got is, we got a calculator out. Let me see. Okay, open calculator. Thank you. Great. I would just ask Siri to do the work. Alright, got our mini calculator there now. Let's now go ahead and bring it to here. Okay, well, we can't. Alright. 86399. We're gonna divide it by 60. Yeah. This is the hour, right? This is the hour. Okay, so minutes, second, minutes, hour. Hour is supposed to be 23. Why hour is... Uh, 3600. No, seconds. Yeah. And now what I will say is, okay, so now we'll get our time. if sternify second. So we create a helper function. Let's just call this add 0. Essentially, it's just gonna add a 0. So let's take an int. So now we want to do that. So I will say if length sternify num equal to 1. Then we will return num sternified num zero plus that. Otherwise, just return sternified num. Alright, so now I'm gonna say return f string here, so hour at 0, hour at 0, minutes, and then at 0 seconds. Invalid syntax. Oh yeah, what am I doing here? Just wait a sec. Hot has passed. It takes a little while than I imagined. Alright, so now it passed. I don't want to make any comments. I would like to resize this a little bit. So sec. I'm going to use a one-liner on this one. Equal to this. Equal to this. Equal to this. Test again. Pass attempt. Alright, there we go. Let's go submit. Alright, there we go. Oh, this is so... this is clever. That's really good. Alright, I really enjoyed this kata. If I mark that. Alright. So thanks for watching. As always, I will double check my kata. 288 kata. Whoa, that's a lot actually. We did Java, Python now is 6QU, 39.9. Alright, so thanks for watching this course challenge. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. This really helps a lot. And, excuse me, finally, thanks for watching. See you next time.